Hello creators! In this activity, we're going to make our voices sound like a cartoon character chipmunk. And we're going to do that by using Audacity's change pitch effect. Okay, let's get started. Now, we're going to create an MP3 in Audacity. And if you're doing this activity as part of a course, you need to make sure that you put the MP3 you create in a nice safe place so you can forward it to your instructor for evaluation. So keep that in mind as you do your MP3 later. I've already connected my microphone to the computer and I've configured my microphone to give me a nice strong level. And if you need to adjust your level, you can, and you can watch the tutorial on how to do that here in this series as well. But I think mine looks pretty good. And as I'm talking, I'm looking at my level and doing some small adjustments to make it perfect. There you go. I like that. Now, I'm just going to do a little greeting and say my name. And that's all you need to do for this assignment as well. But you can do more if you want. Here we go. I'm going to hit record and do it. Hello there. My name is Andrew Mercer. And of course, I press stop, not pause. Now I'm just going to use my mouse. I'm going to select using my selection tool, which is right here. I'm going to select some sound at the end that I don't want. And I'll hit my delete key to delete that. And I select the sound at the beginning I don't want, and I delete that as well, just to clean it up a little. Now we need to change the pitch of the sound. To do that, we need to select that sound that we want to change the pitch of. And you can click the tab on the left side, which will select all the sound in the track if you want. Or if you want to, you can use your selection tool and just select the sound. It's up to you. You go up to Effect and go down to Change Pitch. That's right here. So go to your Effect menu and go down to Change Pitch. Now you'll notice that we have a lot of settings here, and if you're not sure how to use these settings in this effect, you can watch the video on how to do that. It's in this series as well. I'm going to raise my pitch by around 25%. You see right here? I could have typed it in here, which I'll show you as well. You can type in 25 and click OK. Now let's have a listen.
Hello there. My name is Andrew Mercer.
There you go. So it raised my voice quite a bit. And you can play with this. You may want to raise it a little more. You may want to raise it a little less. It's up to you. Now the last thing we're going to do is we're going to create an MP3. So we'll go to the File menu and we'll go down to Export. Now if you're not sure how to create an MP3, there is a tutorial here in this series to show you how to do it. Okay, let's call this Chipmunk. And it's going to use your name as well. I'll put Andrew Mercer, which is my name. And it's select MP3 here as the format. And under options, I'm gonna choose 128. I don't need it to be great quality because this is just a little activity. And then I'll click OK and I'll click Save. And it's asking for my metadata. I'm not going to bother with this. You can if you like. And if you're not sure about metadata, you can watch the tutorial here on that as well. Click OK. There you go. Now I've got a MP3 here on my desktop called Chipmunk Andrew Mercer.mp3. Now you can submit that MP3 to your instructor to get your evaluation. And that's it. Have fun with this and see you next time.